In this video, we'll show you 6 life hacks you need to know now. Reuse silica gel. Make sure you save these silica gel packets next time. Silica gel is a desiccant, a category of materials used to keep products dry by absorbing moisture. Stick one of these gel packets with your camera or other small electronics to protect against moisture damage. Or stick a packet with your tools and toolbox to prevent rusting. Unstick jar lids. Use a butter knife or spoon to help with those hard-to-open jar lids. Simply slide the tip of the butter knife or spoon underneath the lid gap and give it a gentle pry up. You'll hear a light popping sound which indicates the air seal has been released. Now you can twist off that cap with ease. No more foam. Pouring yourself a glass of soda or beer? Try this simple hack to prevent a big layer of foam. Simply place a cup upside down over the bottle, flip over and slowly lift the bottle up. You'll see most of the foam remaining in the bottle itself. Keep boxes closed. It's no surprise the tabs on cereal boxes and other snacks constantly flap open when closed. Try this easy fix to keep the boxes closed, and preserves your snacks from going stale for just a little longer. This creates a nice secure closure. Easy lid opener. Save your nails and fingers next time you need to open one of these lids. Grab a spoon to assist, making for an easy lid opener. Easy air freshener. These felt cushion pads aren't just for furniture. Combine one with your favorite essential oils or perfume to make a discreet air freshener. You can stick these all around the house, including closets, drawers, and bathrooms. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.